Hi, this is a homework help video to help you with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the grid method. So the first thing we've got to do is partition the numbers. So we're doing 34 times 62. Now I've color coded my numbers here just to make it really obvious. So the first thing we're going to do is 34. I've got 4 units, so that yellow 4 is down here. And I've got 3 tens, 3 tens, 30 going in there. Same thing with 62. I've got 2 units, 2 units going over here, and 6 tens making 60 in here. Right, when we've done that, what you've got is 4 boxes we need to fill. Each one of those boxes, we work out what to put in it by multiplying the row by the column. So, for example, this box here at the bottom, we are going to multiply 4 times 2. And just to make it obvious, you don't always have to write this. I've just made a note of it in here. Obviously, 4 times 2, 2 times 4, with multiplication, doesn't matter which way around we do it. So 2 times 4, we know the answer is 8. We can use our times table square to help us if we need to. Okay, let's look at the one next to that. Now, we've got 4 units and we've got 6 tens or 60. Now, the way I like to say I'm going to work that out in my head is 6 times 4 and then multiply it by the 10. So I'm taking the 6 tens, multiplying it by 4, and then remembering it's a 10 and multiplying it by 10. So 6 times 4, I know using my times tables, is 24. 24 multiplied by 10 is 240. So that's what we need in there. Right, this one's maybe a little bit easier. We've got 2 units and 30. 2 times 30, I know that that is 60 because I can double 30 to get 60. But if I was going to write it down, 3 times 2 times 10. Yeah, 3 times 2 is 6, times 10 gives us 60. So we've got 60 in there. Now, this is the one that catches some people out. We're doing 30 times 60. So the way I would say that in my head would be 3 times 6 times 10 times 10. So 3 times 6, I know using my times tables, is 18. Multiply that by 10 is 180. Multiply it by 10 again is 1,800. I hope you can see how we've got there. Now, we've done all that multiplication, but we still haven't quite got the final answer. What we need to do next is add those numbers up. So I've taken all 4 of those numbers, 1,800, 240, 60 and 8. I like to put them in order of size as well, and we're going to add them up. 0008 is an 8 in the units column. 4 and 6 is 10, so we're going to put a 0 in the tens column, carry 1 into the hundreds column. 800 add 200, again, is 10 hundreds, but we've got to add the 1 that we just carried over from there, so it's 11, so we've got 1 in the hundreds column and 1 in the thousands column. We've also got this 1 in the thousands column, so that's another 2, so it's 2 in total in the thousands column. So it gives us 2,108. I hope this example helps you, and I hope you are successful with your homework.